wasn't out of tune, no.
I was going off in the high notes, like, just having to scream the entire night through.
You're right. You're right. It's like Death Valley in one throat. Death Rattle.
It was coming out of the monitor.